Hello everyone. I hope you will be fit and fine. Previous class we have discussed about the Python programming can contain various components like a expression, statement, components, functions, block, indentation related to that. And we have already discussed about the comments, which are comments are two types, that is a single line comments, multi-line comments. Comments are not executable. It compiler interpreter does not compile it, interpret it, and directly just readable, just user readable. Comments are just user readable. And now I'll discuss about the some program, and next class we'll continue with the new chapter. So today I am discussing about the some programs, how to use small program. uh, See here, there is a question. A book publisher conduct a survey. This is a just survey regarding this question is big, but see the program in only 4 lines. A book publisher conduct a survey and found 70% of the teenager loved read fiction novels in a journal, and maximum 40% of population in a city is a teenager. The publisher earn as a profit of a rupee n. This is a n is a number of amount, and that sale of the each copy of the fiction novel. Write a Python. You have to write a Python script to find the maximum profit that the publisher can earn by the selling number of copies of the fiction novel, which is a teenager in a city. So this is a question about the just survey about the any book. You can write a program about anything. See the simple profit is a variable here. What is profit? It is a variable. Equal is a assignment operator. Variable can be any. This is a related to this. That's why I have declared as a profit. It is not a keyword. Equal is a assignment operator. Eval. What is eval? Already we have discussed about the. This is a casting type. Casting type. So any string, any float type can be converted into a different data type. So it is a eval is a, you will get the value in a string that will convert it into a integer. Now second variable, that is a population. So this is also variable. Equal is a assignment operator. Eval, you can write a int also, float also, you can write a data type, because if you directly write a input command, you are getting a value in that profit variable and population, that will be string type. So that's why I have written eval. You can write a int or float also. So input. So here population of the city, you have to input two values, you have to input. Now max underscore profit, this is also another variable, which is a, so profit into profit, which you are getting in a first, profit into 70, that is a written in a 70%, 70 upon 100. Then again 40% we have to calculate. See the 40 upon 100, this will be multiply. Profit into 70 upon 100, this is a one calculation, and this is another calculation which is related to 40. So that is also multiply by this 40 upon 100 into population. So this is a formula how to calculate regarding this survey. And this fourth line, that is a only print, which is for output, maximum profit that can be earned. This text you can write anything, which is enclosing in a double quotation, so that doesn't read by it doesn't read compiler, just for the output only. So in double quotation you can write anything here, and after comma, this is for, after comma you have to write a this variable, which is a calculation maximum underscore profit. You can write a any variable name here. So this is a simple display. So getting a 2 line, this is third line for a calculation, and fourth line for printing whatever you are calculating here. See, the question is a very big and answer in a few lines, 3 lines. So Python program are small in code. In a few lines you can get your answer. So next we'll discuss about the next program. So next I'm starting with the next. It is visible? It is visible, बच्चे?
No, ma'am.
Temperature 1.
No, ma'am.
Just wait. I'm sharing. Now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Write a Python script to enter a temperature. You have to input a temperature in a degree Celsius and display it into a Fahrenheit. Next, you have to what you have to do. You have to input in a Celsius and convert into a Fahrenheit. The formula of this converting is a
9 by 5. 9
huh,
by 5 into C plus 32.
yes. See here. First, C you are getting a value. What is C here? C is a variable. Equal is a assignment operator here. And float. Why I have written here? This is a type conversion. One type to another.
Yes.
Whatever we'll get by input, float will be converted into a float value. String to float. So that's why float is written. So I'm getting here, enter a temperature in a degree Celsius. Now, how to calculate? F is another variable. C is I'm getting. And now I have to convert into a Fahrenheit. So what is the formula of that? F equal 9 upon 5. This is a formula to convert. F is a variable, equal is a assignment operator here, 9 upon 5 into C, which is a getting, plus 32. So this formula you have to use for converting. It is written, if there is a question, this formula will be written over there. Simple, one line you are getting a value, next line you are calculating, that formula will be given in that question, and print. See, F, if whatever you are using a variable, that you have to write here. Temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit will be displayed. This is a simple small program, in a 2-line program you can do in a Python. See here, you have to write a Python program. Mahmood has taken some loan from Aswan at a certain rate, simple interest. That is a rate. After 6 years, Mahmood want to reply. Any question is written. This is a question. See, question is a very big. Question is a very big, but see, wants to reply loan full and final, including interest. Write a Python program. See this one. Write a Python code, calculate and display the interest and total amount to be paid by the Mahmood to settle the account. So see here, first principal. So principal is a variable name, which is a principal amount you will get here. This is a variable. You can write a P also. Principal is a variable name. Eval. What is eval? Whatever you will get in a string will be converted into integer, particular type. So next rate. Rate is also converting into a string to eval, integer. Now time period is a 6. 6 is a given year. After 6 year, also you can input here. Time is fixed here, but you can get also by using input statement. So now this is a simple interest. Another variable equal principal into rate into time upon 100. See here upon how to use a division operator. Principal, which is you are getting, into rate into time upon 100. Now see amount equal principal. Here also I am changing the variable name, principal plus simple interest. Here it will calculate as a for settlement. Settle the account. Total amount how to pay. So amount equal principal into simple interest. Whatever it will calculate with the rate, with the annual amount, with the rate, number of period. So it will calculate it and store in a simple interest. Now final amount, what you have to calculate? Amount is another variable. Equal is a assignment operator here. Now principal, whatever principal amount you will get plus interest, whatever after calculating what it will come from here will be added to amount. Now see here, first simple interest you have to print. Now total amount payable, this total amount you have to pay. When I am running this program, see, enter the value of principal amount. Just I am writing here 10,000. So annual rate, this is a annual rate. I have written this. See, automatically it will calculate. This is a simple interest. This will be added to this one. This will be added after pay. After you have to pay this one. Principal amount, total amount which you are getting from loan, and rate, annual rate that I have written here. Any amount you can write here. After calculation, this will be simple interest. After calculating rate or number of time, and this will be added to total amount payable, this. See here. Now you can unmute your starting here.
Okay.
See, just I am writing A equal input value of A. See, this is a one statement which is I am getting value. Now I am copying this one with the B. See here, I have written a two statement which I am getting value in a and B. Now I have written C equal A plus B. Whatever I am getting from these A and B, I am calculating here, I am printing here. See here, I am running this program. A.py. I am saving this. See, first value I am getting here. Might be running window not visible. See here, enter the value of A. I am getting here 200. I am getting in a second value. I am writing a 400. What happens? 200 and 400 will be displayed together. 200 then 400. There is a no calculation. So I want to convert the same value which is in a integer to particular type. Then I can use sharing another screen. See, these value I want to convert into particular type. I am writing here eval. Eval is a typecasting data type. See, just I am adding a eval. Now I am running this program. See here, enter the value of previous. I have inputted a 200 and 400. That will only display 200 and 400. Both the value is a concatenated, not adding. Here I am writing again same value 200 and second 400. See what happens? 600. This is added with the 600. So what does eval? Whatever we are getting value in a using input method, so that is a string type. So that value will be converted into particular type which you are getting. If I'll get their string will be also converted into a eval. See here in a double quotes I am writing here again. I'm writing here now I'm assigning a value A equal in a double quotes 500 and B equal 300. These both are these values are a now I have assigned as a string. Now I want to convert into a, if I'll add this print A plus B. Are you able to view it?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, whatever I am getting in a 500, 300, that is a only it is a concatenated with the string. So now what I'll do, A equal eval A. What does eval? String to number it will convert. Now B equal eval B. So same data type, previously it was string, now I am converting string to number. What happens? if I'll write out this print command a plus b, see the difference between previous and next one. So now I can also write a float value point. I'm assigning the same. Here I am changing a float 0.99. This is a float type. Float I have declared as a string. Now same b as a float as a string I have declared. Now I want to convert and now I am printing this. It will calculate as a float value. See the difference. So this is eval function convert whatever you will getting and you are assigning a value to the string into a particular type. This become a float type. Now previous it was I have inserted a value as an integer. So eval, what does eval? It will convert into a particular type. Only it will convert a integer type. So string to integer, this conversion. Here I have declared as a string. Now I have converted into a integer. Now I have declared as a float value as a string value. Now I am converting it into a particular type. It will convert into a float type. Now see here float value, it is after calculation it display the float value. So use of typecasting, that is you can use int, float and eval. These are used for converting particular one type to another type. These are called typecasting. Typecasting particular one type to another type, you can convert it. So only these value can be converted into a particular type. And see in this program you can also make a calculator. That previous class I have explained in that you have to get value, two value you are getting in a and b, that you have to make a calculator here, right? Just like I am giving you a question, write a Python program to make a calculator, get two input and plus minus multiply divide. In a one program you can do multiple tasks here. So what you have to do, this a and b I am getting value, so just this is for C for addition. Here you can write sum and you can print here sum. Same thing, you can declare another variable and you can change it, subtraction, this minus will be used, and multiplication equal a multiply by b, asterisk you have to use, and divide division equal a, this is a float division, this is a normal division, and again float division div 1 I am using equal
वो डबल आ जाएगा.
yes b,
float
division. So again exponent, so what xp I am using equal a 3
double bar
times,
multiply.
yes this. So all these you have to, these variable you need to print. Print sum,
modulus
modulus is also. MD I am using A module by B. This is a
percentage.
modular. Any variable you can declare. Now you can print here directly. You can give a different print. Otherwise you can write here SUB comma MUL. This is for multiplication, comma DIV comma DIV1 comma this MD. So these
मैं
all
वहाँ पे
will
V नहीं
be
वहाँ पे V नहीं लिखा वहाँ पे फोर्थ वाले में.
okay. Yes. That is yes. So you can print. You can make a calculator. Just menu bar 1, press 1, addition, press 2, division. Also you can get a operator. You have to input a operator. Automatically it will be added. I'll tell you how to make it just like a calculator. So these all will be calculated and you'll get the output. Why sum is marked as a this white different color? Because sum is a function. What is sum? Sum is a function. Otherwise you can write it just like a see the difference. Sum is a function, that's why it is showing a different color.
मैम फंक्शन और कीवर्ड में डिफरेंस होता है.
Function functions to user defined functions are also there and predefined functions are also there, which is we have to call from a particular module. So these are a different, and keywords are with the reserve word. Okay, keywords are reserve word and you are not supposed to use these as a variable. ठीक है. फंक्शन तो यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन भी है. फंक्शन यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन है और ऑल्सो यू कैन कॉल फ्रॉम जैसे मैथ्स फंक्शन, मैथ्स मॉड्यूल को हमने कॉल किया. ओके, देन फ्रॉम मैथ्स वी आर यूजिंग SQRT फंक्शंस, राउंड फंक्शंस, सी फंक्शन. जैसे आपके मैथमेटिक्स में आप यूज करते हो सम टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन, फर्स्ट वी नीड टू इंपोर्ट दैट फ्रॉम पाइथन लाइब्रेरी. पाइथन लाइब्रेरी से हमें उसको इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है, देन वी कैन यूज. गॉट इट?
ओके.
Any doubt in this? So once you are getting a value that you can perform a different mathematical task in here. Also you can comparison are also there, assignment operators are there. So try a small program. It is a user creativity. You can create your own program. Just think about the any object which you want to make a program, and that will you can make any program. Just time is over, about to over. Bete, one minute is left. Any doubt you can ask?
मैम कंपाइलर और इंटरप्रेटर में से कौन सा अच्छा होता है?
कंपाइलर तो C++ जावा में यूज होता है. इंटरप्रेटर इसमें यूज होता है. इंटरप्रेटर, दिस इज इंटरप्रेटेड लाइन बाय लाइन. कंपाइलर में क्या करता है, वन गो एक बारी में, जैसे ये सारी लाइन लिखा एक बारी में सबको कंपाइल करेगा, देन उसको एरर एक लाइन को एरर भेजेगा, राइट. और इंटरप्रेटर क्या करता है, मेरा फर्स्ट एक लाइन को एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. ये पाइथन क्या है, इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज है. एक लाइन को एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, देन इट विल गो फॉर अ नेक्स्ट लाइन. इफ इट इज करेक्ट इट विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, अदरवाइज ये यहीं पे स्टॉप करेगा. ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज. एक लाइन को इंटरप्रेट करता है.
मैम जो कंप्यूटर होता है वो, यस मैम, जो कंप्यूटर होता है कौन सी लैंग्वेज को अच्छे से
बाइनरी,
मतलब अंडरस्टैंड करता है?
बाइनरी मशीन लैंग्वेज, बाइनरी 0 and 1.
ओके.
आपका एक चैप्टर ही है, विल डिस्कस लेटर अबाउट दैट. 1 minute इज लेफ्ट. ठीक है. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑल प्रोग्राम्स. ओके बेटे.
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके.